guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be continuing in our Minecraft series. But before we get started, I dyed my hair blue. And I'm really excited. So tell me what you think in the comments below. Now, let's get started. Okay, chill. Okay, what were we doing in the last episode? It's been a while, so... Oh yeah. We were dyeing the dog's collars, that's what. Oh, that's... I learned this. Dye. Okay, one will be purple. The other one will be Seinen, because I enjoy that. Okay. Nope. I still need to learn that. You're a Rebby. I forgot. Yay! Okay, now you, Holly. Okay, so Holly is the dog I have now. I had Webby last year. Webby passed away. Anyway, horses. Nighttime. Is that a wandering villager? No, those are horses. I also figured out a way that if I'm in the swamp, how to get my colors. Okay. I definitely want to make a lot of progress with my animals. Oh, yeah, I figured out how to crouch as well. Yeah, okay, let me real quick. Settings. Nope. This is really hard. Where are my controls? Options. Controls. There we go. Okay. Okay, maybe... Yeah, okay. Done. Back to game. What? Oopsie. Okay. Whatever, I'm not sure that's how this will work, but that's okay, because I figured something out on a different computer. Yeah, I need to change that back. That's already killing me. Okay. Because you guys will not respond to that. Okay, what do I have planned for this episode? Oh, right. So, I know a way to make something, but I'm not going to make it. I'm going to make a mine. Okay, that's not how you do it. Okay, I need a chest. I have a ton of stuff. I'll put my backpack in there as well. Okay. That's my only reaction is okay. Let me get some torches up in here. Ooh. Torch. Now we're going to put that in my hand. Torches usually light up more. We are mining into the cave. Okay, so I'm just gonna mine out this way a little bit. Now let's go back. I'm gonna go down. No, I'm gonna go just do the strip mine area for like coal. I don't know, before the mine starts. So now we're going to go Okay. We're just gonna make a little mine here. Oh, it's so dark. That's a lot. I think I'm on Y level. Wait, I have to mine down to bedrock, because then I know where I am. To go up 11 blocks, so. Wow, this is really hard. Okay, you know what? I'll come back to the mine later. Some people do like 5 blocks and then down. 5 blocks and then a down. I'm going, that takes so long. Especially in survival. How am I flying? Was I seriously flying? See, you don't say anything. I was stuck in the ceiling. Okay, okay, desk. I worked hard on something earlier. I need stairs. Stairs right here. Okay. What kind of stair do I want though? Is there like more stairs than this? I know there is. I know what kind of stair I'm looking for. What's that? I'm not spawning a stray. Air. Quartz. I want smooth quartz. Whatever. It'll work. I can't be too picky. There we go. Now, so crouch and then walk forward. And I need to place the other one. No, I want you. Does that look how I want it? Why is there leather? Oh, a horse died probably. Yes, it does. Okay. Now, kitty cats, right? Now, I like that. Okay. Okay. I'm looking for a paint. Now, painting. So if any of you guys have seen the way you can make things, you guys know that you can make computers. Ooh, pressure plates. This is what I want. They don't have heavy-weighted pressure plates. Okay, really exciting for me. I think I have everything I need. I need 2 blocks, so I'll use targets. Okay, so how you want to do this is place the 2 blocks on the side. Then you're going to want the pressure plate in the middle, and then towards the back, you want a painting. I forgot, make sure there is a block on the top so the painting is in the middle. There we go. And then you can cycle through them. Oopsie. Okay, I'm gonna fix that. Do I not have glass anywhere? Okay, glass. And then we're going to fix it, and then we're going to make a computer. Glass. There we go. Now let's go forward. Okay, oh geez, it's glass pane. It's so hard to see under there. Cause it's, oh, you're really kidding me. There we go. There we go. That will work for placing the block. And after I get it in, I can take down the targets and it'll look beautiful. Yay, I have a computer. See, that's the problem. If you don't have some, what is the word? Thing. Just a thing. Yay. Now don't break the painting like I did. Now we have a computer. There we go. Now we have a computer. Now there's still other things I want to put in this space. So let me think. Okay. If I remember how to make this, I need glue. Right, okay. I'm using targets because of it makes a cool design. So this is a carpet. Doesn't look too much like a carpet, but it's a carpet. But anyways, that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.